Hi friends, today we're going to talk about the latest It Girl bag and my first impressions. I used her today and am reporting back to the mothership about my thoughts on the new It Girl bag. So this bag has been worn by Taylor Swift. She has it in black. You can see her here wearing the bag with her boyfriend, Travis Kelce, or I don't know if it's her boyfriend. Are they official? Who knows? Anyways, go do your thing, Tay-Tay. But she looks fabulous carrying this bag. Love the asymmetrical feel of it, and I really like the braided handle. So I took her for a spin to see what she was all about. This bag is from a brand called Aupen. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. It's Aupen. The logo is right here on this bean that's hanging from the bag. I think it's a nice touch. This particular bag is called the Nirvana Snow. And according to the description, this is calfskin. It's a very, very soft leather. I am not quite sure if the handle is calfskin. It would have to be very thin to be braided that way. It could be polyurethane, but I'm not sure. So anyways, I'm just here to review the bags. I kind of question if it's polyurethane or if it's leather. Well, anyways, we'll get back to that. So some of the other bags that Taylor has been seen with, she seems to be of quiet luxury, they call it. Some of the bags that she carries, and I'll show pictures of it too, the Dolce & Gabbana Agata bag. Ooh, I love this. It's like the French coin purse that has that clasp that you open and close. And I do like Dolce & Gabbana for their styles of the French coin purse. They tend to use this opening a lot. The Prada Galleria tote. This is on my list of classics. Every brand has their classic shape, and the Prada Galleria is one of them. It's very practical. It's a practical bag. I don't know what else to say about that. I think it's the chic, like quintessential tote for every working woman. Can probably fit an iPad, for those of you who are wondering. The Monsieur Gabriel M frame box bag, which pretty much looks like a Pochette Matisse. Not a fan. It's a little too boring for me, but that's just me. She also has been seen carrying the Stella McCartney embossed bucket bag. Okay, love it. I do love Stella McCartney, except for the fact that it is plastic, pleather, not leather, for a pretty high price tag. But look, this bag has also been seen on Brittany Mahomes, Gigi Hadid, and Selena Gomez, and Sophie Turner. Okay, the Versace Greca Goddess shoulder bag. Oh, I do like this one. That's a good choice. Honestly, out of the bags that I've mentioned so far, I think this one is the most fitting for Taylor, because I remember carrying bags like that when I was around her age or younger. So she's also been seen carrying the Louis Vuitton camera case bag. I'm not a fan of this. I don't know. It's just too much going on for me. And in this picture here, you can see she is carrying the Saint Laurent Le 5A7 Soft Hobo. The Soft Hobo is a little more elongated compared to the Le 5A7, the regular bag. So, of course, no surprise, she's also been seen carrying this Cat Crystal Clutch by Judith Lieber. If I were seen holding this, I would be the crazy cat lady. My personal favorite on the list, the Bottega Veneta Andiamo tote. This is a beautiful tote, and I think quite underrated. If you can find this pre-love, go for it. This to me looks iconic Bottega, and also very well made, that it's gonna last you and look really nice, look better than your average tote. Okay, so back to the Aupen Nirvana. They've been gifting influencers and celebrities. You'll also see their styles on Selena Gomez. She has worn this version of it. It looks like it would be much more expensive than it is. They also have a dupe for the Prada Crystal Clio, are less than $500. They are not paying me to show off the bag, by the way. I was invited to review, and since they use influencers and celebrities in the same sentence, I was like, okay, if you put me in the same category as Selena Gomez, yes. Now, my first impressions of it, other than I'm questioning what the material actually is. And she's very soft, and she fits right here on my shoulder. Since I don't have much shoulder, and this is why I don't wear shoulder bags, anything bigger than this is going to slide downhill. So the bag is really kept in place, like under my arm, like this, more like a clutch. For those of you who are asking, there is no crossbody strap. That is something that I've noticed. Most of the brands in the US boutiques have a crossbody strap just so you have an option, because you know, we don't want to be walking around in the streets unsecure. Anyone could grab your bag. It does have this little bean that you can remove. Actually, I was just playing with it. This opens. I like the touch of it, but I also like that you can take that off and like put a cute tassel or put a cute Louis Vuitton bag charm right there. It would be really cute. So I can see in the camera too, the way the leather has this nice sheen. It's a nice looking bag and she's already gotten compliments. One thing that I don't particularly like is that it is hard to stand up on a table. It wants to lean this way or that, and that depends on the stuff that you put inside, because obviously it doesn't have much of a base, but it's very minimalistic and simplistic. The price of this bag on the website is $340 US, so extremely affordable. If you want to follow the celebrities without spending the expensive price tag, then Tay Tay has it. So what else is there to say? Okay, so what fits? I'm recording with my phone, but the phone does fit. It is a fabric lining. It's a very simple bag. It has a big pocket that I didn't use. It has a pocket in here, but it's a little bit hard to get into. I have my card holder that I use as my wallet. I have my keys, and it fits the phone, my Dior lipstick with the phone in there. And I can also fit, I left my sunglasses in the car, but I'm gonna put my non-rose colored glasses right there on top, just to show that as a summer bag, that's about all I would fit in it. I could fit more, but I don't like the idea of having the bag stuffed. So cream and white bags, all the rage right now, even according to Anna Bay. And I personally love it because it's a pop of color. Mostly I wear black, so it's a pop of color against black, but also with spring and summer coming up. And like I said, with armhole summer days, I'm not going to be able to carry much more or wear anything bulky with this. So I'm actually looking forward to matching this with some of my spring summer outfits as well. That was my first use of the bag. Initially, my first impression was that she looks a little young, like a little Zara-ish. So I don't know as a consumer that I personally would reach for her, but I can see the younger consumers definitely reaching for her, especially at the price point. And now that I've took one spin with her, I think I like it. It always depends. Like, I want to see what people's reactions are. I like the way that she hangs. I'm probably going to put a scarf just because I always have makeup or coffee on my hands and it's going to get dirty right there. And also, I've already gotten lipstick on this, but it literally can wipe right off. Just be careful with pen stains, okay? You can't get pen stains off of leather, but you can lipstick. This one is the Nirvana Snow. She comes in many different colors, like pink, orange, green, red, and black. So let me know in the comments what you think of the new It Girl bag. Okay guys, part 2. So I have taken the bag for a spin, and this is my thoughts on her. She needs to be leather. It's definitely not calfskin. I showed a bunch of people, I looked at the description back and forth, and like, no, they can't call this calfskin. Everyone agrees that she's vinyl. So just call her vinyl, it's okay. She's vegan. I would love to have seen this in a leather version because $340 for calfskin would be amazing. But I honestly think the brand could make a leather version and then price it at $540 and still make pretty good margin. I feel like if it was leather, it would last longer, look more elegant. Like I said, it wouldn't look like a snake that swallowed a mouse, because leather bags also, they have more structure and they hold their shape, unlike vinyl, where, you know, you can see what the snake ate for lunch. Again, because of the material, I don't feel expensive. It's true, when you wear more elevated items, you feel elevated and more expensive. So she's most likely going to be like my summertime sundress item. But let me show you what I did pair her with that ended up to be really cute. So I have this fairly new off-the-shoulder sweater from Aritzia, and this tweed skirt that I've had for years from Bloomingdale's. I'm going to put a video together about how everything in my closet matches everything and how easy it is to get dressed. I did pair it with the shoes, the white boots that I just received from 7 or 9, one of my sponsors. By the way, these are the most amazing, comfortable boots I've experienced, even with a heel, and I usually don't wear heels. So there's like an old rule, this was like from, I don't know, the 50s or something, that your handbag and your shoes and your belt have to match, but that's not true anymore. That's not the reason why I wore a white bag and white shoes. I don't like to be matchy-matchy, but in this case, I thought, oh, it works and it's cute, so why not? So those are my thoughts on the It Girl bag. Let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And one more thing, you guys, I will be going on live both Wednesday and Thursday. I will be going live with the new consignment shop from Newport Beach on Thursday, and they have a lot of Chanel inventory. So please tune in if there's something you are looking for. They have amazing, great condition, vintage Chanel, new Chanel, and vintage and new Louis and all kinds of brands. So I hope to see you there. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join the membership portion if you want to see me more. Talk to you soon. Bye.